Alright guys, this is William. Welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, this channel is all about programming, about app development, about game development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence, AR, VR, all the fun stuff. I love coding. I'll update video every day. Please subscribe to my channel. You won't get disappointed. You know the drill. Please subscribe and thumb up, all that. Okay. So if you're new here, you're watching a series of videos about 2D game development review. We are making a controller, third-party controller from scratch, and today we're going to talk about how to make a camera system working, especially for your third-person camera. It's a third-person controller game. So we got two ways of doing this. Most simple way is just click and drag. Okay, so we can get main camera. That's the camera that you're actually facing this guy. We can just click and drag and make it a child of a third-person controller, TPC, which means that you look here and you double-click this camera, you can just make it like higher, something like that, closer, okay, and you can rotate it in the I think it may be x-axis, so you can just look down here. Okay, so then say you are entering the game, okay, and you maximize it so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so if you going down, and you can control this guy, move forward. It's a really big plane. Okay, we move the edge of it again. Of course I can jump, by the way. I can jump. Okay, and of course I can jump. While I'm in the air, I won't be able to jump. Okay, so I can jump. Okay, yeah, I can jump like this. Okay, and in the air I can move a little bit. Okay, so in the air I can move as well. Okay, so it's like a really like an alien environment because I can jump really high. Okay, so of course you can play around with gravity. This is just a really simple thing that you can do. And of course, you can do something like this as well. So you can create a camera, a cinema machine. Okay, so you can just import a cinema machine like we did in my other game, and using a follow camera like that, and then you drag the object to inside, so you can follow that. You got amazing smoothness of the camera effect. Okay, so yeah, but that's not what I'm going to do in this video, because in this video I'm going to hard code the camera maneuver so you guys know what's going on. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. And of course there's an obvious bug. I think you already know that there's no camera change. Okay, I can move forward, backwards. I can run by holding shift. I can jump by using this space bar, but I simply can't rotate our camera. So yeah, the ground layer should be ground. Okay, so there is a thing that I'm going to change. So let's go back to PMC. Okay, so the ground layer should be ground. Okay, layer mask. You can say that it will be ground or be 0. Let's check the ground because I don't want to assign that multiple times. So the ground will be. If we go to plane, we go to ground layer, there will be a 6. Okay, so I can safely change that to 6. Okay, so if you save that, and you can reset it, because I already hard coded everything. So if you look here, ground, you can say something like default or water. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and you can reset, and ignore recast. That's weird. So let's reset it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, I think it should be 8 or something like that. So 8, maybe. Let's reset it. Let's reset it. Change is a little bit weird. It should be. Yeah. What about let's do something like the ground. Okay. And obviously there will be a error. String target to type layer mask. So we can't do that. So yeah, I have to do it manually. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so as long as you choose that, it shouldn't be a problem. Distance to the ground, when 2 is grounded, round speed. Let's not play max, but rather play focused and test it out. Okay, I can forward backwards. Yeah, I can do that with really. Yeah, I can jump. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to change the camera's rotation according to the rotation of the third-person controller. Okay, so if you double-click, we got third-person controller here, and if you say rotate the third-person controller, okay, so you can rotate it, say y-axis. Okay, so if you rotate it, the camera should be rotated with the person. Okay, so that's what I'm aiming for. So basically, you're going to attach that script control, camera control to main camera, and you're going to get info from the third-person controller. Okay, I know it's a mouthful, but once I create the code, you know what I mean. Okay, so that will be our camera controller. So maybe CC, whatever. Doesn't really matter. I'm really bad at naming that. Don't follow me. Okay, don't follow my example. You might be naming something like the camera controller. Okay. So yeah, we got start, we got update. Before start, I'm going to say you're going to adjust that because you're going to use your mouse to adjust that. So I'm going to use a private float, and that will be our mouse sensitivity. Okay, and at the start of before at the start of it, I'm going to get the parent of the object that attached to it. So private, and you can get the transform, which means the position. Okay, and I'm going to get the parent position. Okay, parent, and yeah, let's get start of things. So we can let's make it private because we're not going to use it anywhere else. So private void as well, private update. Okay, this is a good practice. And of course, you can just say parents would be transform parents. So yeah, basically just yeah, get parents position, parents data to it. So sorry, and every frame you're going to rotate it according to parents. So rotate, and you haven't write the rotate yet, so you can say private and void and rotate. Okay, so Copilot automatically generate the code. Let's check that first. Okay, the Copilot suggestion is good per se, but it won't work on. That's kind of work, but will not work completely. Our program. That's because our character can't just go up and down, like can't facing up or facing down. So if you use the camera control, you click and drag to main camera, you can test it out. Okay, I already said that play maximized, you can see the result. Okay, so you absolutely can rotate left and right, and yeah, this mouse we need to hide it, and of course you can move forward. Okay, move forward and backwards, But clearly, I think I already found this bug. Okay, I move forward and I look at left. I should, when I press forward, I should go that way. Okay, but still just using the worst coordinate. So that's definitely not what I want. So I'm going to change that to a local, orientation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do a camera control, and of course there is another bug, is that you can get the sensitivity, mouse sensitivity over Y, so I can move up and down. So that's at least that's what is intended, but that won't work because it will give a little bit conflict. So yeah, we will talk about the y-axis because right now I don't seem to think there is anything to do with the another y mouse. So I'm gonna just comment that because we might use that later. Okay, and this transform is about mouse y, so we can hide it as well. And at the start of our program, I'm going to hide the cursor. Okay, so if you use the lock state and locked, that means that yeah, you'll just hide your mouse. Okay, so the mouse won't just move to left, to right, to up, and to down. Okay, so if you click it, there's no way to be seen. The mouse is nowhere to be seen, and of course you might wonder, oh, what the heck is going on? How to get out of here? Because I want to play a click pause. You just hit the exit button and you just escape that. Okay, and it's unlocked. Still, you are still in the game, and you then click that, and you are out of game. Okay, pretty simple. But still, another bug. You have to solve the local access. Okay, so let's just do that, and let's solve that problem. So I think the problem is not at the camera controller, but rather is at the third person controller. So before you actually change the direction, so I think it move. Okay, it's grounded, and then we're going to move it. Okay, we're gonna move direction, but we can transform that. Okay, so I'm going to say yeah, that's brilliant. It just automatically generate that code. Copilot, thanks. So basically, you already got the move direction. That direction is the like the axis, okay? But you have to change the axis from global axis to local axis. So you're going to get the whatever the direction of the players is facing, and you are going to use that axis. So if you look at here, let's try this out. I think it might just get a lot of assets here, so you can get a good reference. Okay, so if I change that, say, okay, so change that. Okay, I can use this song as a example. So go back, left, right. Okay, so I can completely change it. I rotate that and go forward. I can still move forward. Let's go so smoothly. Yeah, that's so good. Okay, pretty good. And if you want to see the actual position, I think I might as well just get a lot of get some reference. Let's create a say some cube, sphere, all sort of thing. So you can reference that. Okay, 555. Okay, we got a huge cube here. Okay, that will do. Okay, so it's just quick reference. Yeah, let me not so focused. Let me not so maximize. It's just a focused view. Okay, so you can see the yeah. Okay, so I can rotate it. Okay, I can still move forward. Okay, I can move backwards. I can rotate it left and right. I can quickly do that and jump. Okay, this looks pretty good. Okay, I can even, let's just rotate this like a mecha. Okay, okay, there's a holy cube here. Okay, we can actually do that. That's brilliant. That's so good. And we can, yeah, do that. Okay, if I jump, okay, yeah, while you jump, you can't jump and run. Okay, so yeah, that looks pretty good. So yeah, we have achieved that and solved the bug. Okay, so far so good. I think it's time to add some animation to it, because I think if you got this demo, yeah, the animator is empty. That's good, because we're going to add animation ourselves. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.